Hey, what's up? This is BJ. Hope everybody's having a good day so far. I'm finally going to do a video on the app that I've been talking about for like a year now. It's been like 10 months to a year I've been talking about this app, and everybody's been asking me to do a little something, talk about it a little bit, so I'm finally going to do it. This app is called Turo. I absolutely love it. It's called Turo, T-U-R-O. It's a really, really cool concept. It's kind of like Airbnb, but for vehicles. Yeah, I think that's like the best way to explain it. It's really cool. What you can do is, like, let's say your car breaks down and you need a vehicle. Of course, you can go to like Enterprise or Rent-A-Car or Avis, one of these other car dealerships, but this app allows you to do everything online. Like, literally, I've rented like 5 or 6 vehicles and I haven't had to meet the person whatsoever. The vehicle was ready for me within like 10 minutes of me hopping on the app. So this is really cool. Let's go ahead and walk through it. I'll show you a couple of the vehicles that they have here in, I guess, like the Charlotte area. So got all different types of vehicles. Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This is a 2017 Mercedes-Benz for $177 a day. Chevrolet Camaro, $90. A Dodge Ram for what? No, that's not real. A Dodge Ram for $13 a day. That's unreal. Honda Odyssey 2010 for $10 a day. You see that they got 5 stars and they've had 4 trips, so that's pretty cool. BMW 2017 for $15 a day. So this is cool. I didn't even see this before I did the video. That's why I'm so super pumped about it. You also can search like business class. So let's say your vehicle's not in the shop and you're going on vacation or something like that, and you're arriving in Atlanta or New York or Charlotte, and you're like, I don't think I want to get that Kia that Avis is trying to rent out to me, but you want something a little more high end. Let's go to San Francisco and see what they got there. You can search the business class and you can choose from all sorts of vehicles, from a Fiat to a Porsche. Oh man, look at this BMW. Okay, so like you got all the Tesla. Look at this. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna do a little advertising for this guy or gal. Let's see what their name is. So Zob F. All right, Zob has a 2013 Tesla Model S. Let's check out some of these pictures. Wow. Looked like he was like, hey, which parking lot does everybody do donuts on their motorcycle? Let's go do pictures there. No, but these pictures are pretty dang cool. Holy moly. Look at this. So this is pretty dope. Okay, so Zob has 74 trips and he's got all 5 stars. Like, this is cool. So, like, check this out. You get $1,000 and, 1,000 miles. And then if you go over 1,000 miles, you're charged 75 cents per mile. And I guess that's for a trip between July 3rd through July 10th. It's in Fremont, California. You can find these all over the country, though. Don't get it twisted. It's not just up in California. It's everywhere. Turo. Drive better cars. This is pretty dope. Let's look at some of his reviews. I'm about to give him like some really, really good advertising. Check this out. Okay, let's look at Zoe. Sorry, I'm on the interstate, and yes, I am the passenger, and so not good signal. I'm up here in Raleigh, right, like the Raleigh area right now, Raleigh, North Carolina. So let's check out this guy's. Whoa, he's got 2,694 trips, and he's got a 5-star rating. That is dope. Okay, so he's got a Jeep. It was awesome to drive around the bay for a couple of days. It was clean and picked up and dropped off. It was more than convenient. Man, this guy is awesome, dude. Zoe was the perfect renter. He took great care of the car, and it was an easy transaction. Would definitely rent to him again. Okay, so this guy's pretty dang cool. I guess I picked the right guy to give a little advertisement. I guess he's got a couple of cars, so really cool. This thing is dope. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link for you to sign up. And let me tell you why this link is so cool. This link is so cool because you get $25 off and I get $25 to use on my next trip. I have been able to go on like every single one of the vacations that I've had and rent a vehicle because I've been able to link other like-minded people that either need a vehicle to use or want to put their car on this platform. It's so cool, guys. Money to be made, check. Money to save, check. All right here on this app, Turo, T-U-R-O. So I'm going to leave my link below the vehicle. Please, 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 please sign up so that next time you get a freaking blowout, or not a blowout, because a flat tire is not going to stop you from using your vehicle. Something happens to your transmission, or you're going on vacation, you can use this link so you can rent a car. I hope you all enjoy the platform as much as I have. Talk to you guys later. Let me know if you have any questions. Just drop it in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. This is BJ, and I'm out now.